In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image fit on your Wix website. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor so you can work directly on the page where your image appears. Once you are in the editor, click on the image you want to adjust. You'll see resize handles appear around it, and this is where the most important part begins. If you want your image to stay looking natural and professional, resize it by dragging one of the corner handles. This is the best method because using the corners keeps the image in its original proportions. In other words, the height and width scale together, which helps prevent the image from looking stretched, squished, or distorted. This is especially important for photos, product images, and graphics that need to stay clean and accurate. Try to avoid dragging only the top, bottom, or side handles, unless you intentionally want to stretch the image. Side dragging changes just one dimension at a time, which can skew the image and make it look off. In most cases, that's not recommended for photos because it can reduce the overall quality and make your site look less polished. So, as a general rule, stick with the corner handles whenever you simply want the image to fit better. If the image is the right size but the wrong framing, click the crop icon in the floating toolbar. Cropping lets you manually trim away unwanted parts of the image without changing the entire element size on the page. This is useful if you need to focus on a subject. Remove empty space or adjust the aspect ratio so the image fits more neatly into your layout. Take a moment here to make sure the most important part of the image stays visible after cropping. If you are adding an image as a page background or a strip background, the process is slightly different. Click the strip, then open the section background panel. From there, go into settings. In these settings, you can control how the background image behaves across different screen sizes. Choose Scale to Fill if you want the image to cover the full area, which is usually the best option for large banners or wide background sections. If you want the image to repeat instead, choose Tile. This can work well for patterns or smaller graphics that are meant to repeat across the section. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.